Okay guys, I got this whole collection. Let's try them on. Okay, this is Woman Up. I'll go in with the close-up. Okay, next one I'm doing is Smudged. Okay, this is the smudge. I had to play a little bit around with this one, just so you know. But let's go in with the close-up. Next one is Downtown Girl. This is Downtown Girl. Let's go in with the close-up. Next one will be Main Character. OMG, you guys, this is my favorite so far. Look at these. Main Character. The main character. Okay, I'm just kidding. Go in for a close-up. Let's go in. Sorry, I just have to be so dramatic with these. These are just, oh, Kiss, you did it. I mean, all of them are cute so far, but this one, I like it. Okay, this next one is Vibin. We vibing, you know. No, I'm just kidding. Vibin. Now this is a whole vibe. I'm just kidding. Well, not really, because this is like, these right here, Vibin and Main Character, like, has won me over. All of the lashes, even the other three, besides the ones that I mentioned, they're like, but those two, they have me. Let's go in for a close-up. So the last one is Rockstar. I don't know about these. They're really tiny, but let's see. Okay, here is Rockstar. I was a little nervous because they're awfully short. I don't do short, you know. Just kidding. They're actually not too bad, but I honestly think, I don't know, I would, I don't know, you guys tell me. Let's go on with the close-up. This just feels like I'm wearing just my natural lashes, you know, like it doesn't, I mean, it brings like darkness to your eyes because these lashes are super thick, but I don't know, they're not too bad. I think I just like long now, so like it's kind of hard for me to be like, when I see something short, I'm like, ooh, ew, disgusting. But I'm totally kidding. These are cute. You guys have to get this whole collection. You have to. OMG. This was a total hit. Oh yeah. for sure. So you can either get it on the Kiss website or through Walmart, which I did. I went to go pick it up. I did an online order, picked it up to make sure that they were in stock and that nobody was gonna take it. So I highly recommend you guys do that if you guys have it in stock in your nearest Walmart. If not, you can even get it shipped from Walmart within like 3 days, I think. I don't know, especially if it's not in stock at your Walmart. Or you can do it through Kiss, whichever one. So I'm gonna leave the links down below. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys grabbed some and how do you guys like them. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.